past. You mentioned about constitutional harakiri. Now my question would be, what is the difference between constitutional harakiri to constitutional kilikili?
It is just self-destruction. It's just death-seeking. It is a pursuit of death defined as thermodynamic equilibrium.
Ano naman ang iyong advantage among other candidates?
My advantage is that I don't care. I'm a happy moron. I am following the poem that was written by a very brilliant man. I might recite it with your indulgence.
Oh, sure, madam. My pleasure.
The happy moron. Behold the happy moron. He doesn't give a damn. I wish I were a moron. My God, perhaps I am.
Oh, that's fabulous, madam. I wish I were a moron. Ano naman ang mga masasabi mo sa lahat ng mga nahihiya sa'yo? I have 3 words for you. Nek-nek nyo.
I have only one word. Die.
Pinakahuli kong question para sa'yo. Sino ang mas maganda sa atin dalawa? I think it's me. But I lied. What's up? What's up? At yan ang mga may init na balita para sa araw na ito. Ito si Kikiam Defensor for What's Up? What's Up?